So here we go.
I'm sorry, did you guys know that we actually have an Irish Latina sitting in the room right now? Nora, could you just raise your hand really quick? Folks, I want to introduce you to the very special Irish Latina Nora McLaughlin that's sitting in our room today. Now, she's unique, special, and very inspirational. But as I've gotten to learn about Nora, I think the thing that makes her most special is that the journey that she's been on has a consistent message and lesson that we can learn from. The idea that support drives passion. Through extracurricular activities to in an academic setting and even through acts of service, Nora's passion has been propelled by support, both internal and external. So for those of you who don't know, Nora's actually a tennis player. She began playing tennis around 4 years old, went competitive at 11, and also was the top varsity player in her high school team. She's continuing this activity in Pepperdine now. She's been trying out for the tennis club team. So when I first heard all this, the first thing I thought was she's dedicated. She's consistent and she's driven. But why? It's because she's passionate about it. But the passion was fueled by the support of her teammates that she got. She called them her family. The love, the consistent love that they gave her, fueled her drive and continued her participation in the sport. That's why she continues to this today. Now, this idea can be brought into a different light, an academic light, through her teacher, Mrs. Brantley. Sophomore, junior, and senior year, Mrs. Brantley provided support to Nora. Nora spent countless hours in Mrs. Brantley's office asking advice, questions, getting very personal. Mrs. Brantley did not just teach, but she connected with her students, especially Nora. Now, Mrs. Brantley didn't expose Nora to the idea of being a teacher, but Mrs. Brantley definitely, through her support, drove Nora to make the decision to be a teacher. Now, as I said, Mrs. Brantley was not the one who opened Nora up to the idea of being a teacher. It was actually through her acts of service with the organization Teen Council, which sends high school students to get experience working with underprivileged youth, both middle school and elementary school. Through Nora's 150 hours of service, Nora was able to provide support. She learned patience, dedication, trust. All of these things fueled her passion to be a teacher. Now, this is what's really interesting about Teen Council, is that her support that she gave fueled her passion. It wasn't the support she received, but it was the support that she gave to others, which is what fueled and drove her passion to want to be a teacher. So in conclusion, I've said these two words way too many times, but support and passion go hand in hand. It's a cycle that increases its intensity the longer it goes on and on. But what makes it so cool is that the support can be both internal and external. So I want you guys to take like a page out of Nora's book and ask yourself, where am I supported? Where do I lack this support? What am I passionate about? And what can fuel that passion? The common theme in Nora's sliver of her journey can be applied to all of our lives. Take time to assess who you are, what makes you special, and I hope that Nora's journey can help inspire you and support you through your own journey.